The Waves Gold Bundle is one of the best plugin bundles to get your collection started with pro plugins. In this Waves plugin review, I'm going to look at the plugins that are included with the Waves Gold Bundle. I'm Zane, and welcome to Simple Green Tech. On this channel, I do audio tech tips, tutorials, and reviews to help you unleash your creativity. Now, if you want to check out the latest pricing on these Waves plugins or the Waves Bundle, I included a link in the description below. The Waves Gold Bundle gives you a great variety of plugins. You actually get 42 professional quality plugins included with it, which includes everything you need to mix amazing sounding tracks. So let's jump in and see what we've got here. You get a decent variety of quality compressors. Two of my favorite compressors from the Waves Gold Bundle are the H-Comp Hybrid and the C4 Multiband compressor. But the other compressors that are included are great too. EQ is another tool that you're going to need in every one of your mixes. And in the Waves Gold Bundle, you get some pro quality EQs that can build the foundation of your sound. The Renaissance EQ is one that I personally use quite a bit, but you also get a couple of vintage EQs and more. If you're a guitar player looking for a great sounding guitar amp sim, the Waves GTR3 that's included in the Waves Gold Bundle gives you some great sounding amp models, effects, and cabinets. You'll get great clean tones and heavy high gain tones, plus everything in between. GTR3 is also different from the typical guitar amp sims that everyone else is using, so you can stand out a bit. If you're liking this video so far and getting some value out of it, please hit that thumbs up button. It really does help the channel quite a bit, and it means a lot to me. Now let's get back into the Waves Gold Bundle. If you're interested in getting into impulse responses to load different guitar cabinets or room sounds, you'll really like the included IR-L convolution reverb. You can load all of your own IRs that you might have already, plus you can download the huge 4.8 gigabyte library of impulses for free from the Waves website. This is a great starting point for getting into impulse responses. You also get some modulation effects in the Waves Gold Bundle. You get delays, flanger, and multi-effects plugins. You'll get subtle effects and also creative effects that can transform your sound. Also in the Waves Gold Bundle, you get several filters, reverbs, an instrument plugin in the Electric Grand 80, and an auto-tune style plugin for vocal pitch correction. If you're just starting your home studio and you want to get a great bundle of plugins that will give you pro quality with an affordable price tag, be sure to check out the Waves Gold Bundle. Click here to check out my audio software video playlist, or click down here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch next. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos from me. For Simple Green Tech, thank you so much for watching. I'm Zane, and keep creating.